In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use the list view in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your account, jump into the right space, add a list view, and start adding tasks with a layout that fits your workflow. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this on the web or in the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're in the correct workspace so you're seeing the projects and teams you actually want to manage. Next, click into the specific space where you'll be organizing your work. In ClickUp, a space is a top-level area for a department, project category, or team. Choose the space that makes sense for your tasks and open it so you can build the view right where it belongs. Now, look toward the top of the screen for the Views bar and click Add View. This is where you decide how you want to see your work. From the menu that appears, select List. The list view lays out tasks in clean rows with columns for details like assignees, due dates, priorities, and more. It's a great default if you like a spreadsheet-style overview with quick editing. With the list view created, you can start adding tasks immediately. Use the New Task button in your list to create items, give each a clear name, and add the essentials you'll rely on later: assignees, due dates, and a brief description. If you already know the status or priority, set those as you go to keep everything consistent. Short, action-oriented task names make scanning your list faster, and adding due dates up front helps you plan realistically. Feel free to customize everything so the list reflects how you work. Show or hide columns to focus on what matters most, like status, priority, or time estimates. Drag columns to reorder them and resize widths for readability. If your list starts to grow, use filters to narrow down by assignee, due date, or status, and apply sorting so the most urgent or most recent tasks appear at the top. You can also adjust grouping to cluster tasks by status or assignee, which makes progress and ownership instantly clear. If you work with subtasks, choose whether to display them as separate rows or nested under their parent for a cleaner hierarchy. Remember, these customizations only affect how you see the work. They don't change the underlying tasks. That's it. Open your account, step into the right space, add a view, choose list, and then build out your tasks with the custom layout that helps you move faster. Keep your list tidy, update it regularly, and you'll always have a reliable, at-a-glance picture of your work.